Uh, all right, so we are getting to it. First, we took this. The
Yeah.
the intake was in there, so it was two screws here, one and two. We took them off and we took this. So let's continue doing here.
And this
And
is the cable for the
that's the cable
electric.
for the starter. Let's
See,
shoot, and it takes.
take this
Oh,
out.
here you go. It's off. And then always remember to take one of them, positive or the negative, but the positive is sometimes it's better to do it. All right, let's get to it. What size?
14.
14 millimeter.
Mm-hmm. And it has only two screws.
It has two screws,
One this side and one that
one
side.
this side and one parallel to it on the other side. It should be less than 20 minutes for anyone. I think we're gonna be done in 5 minutes total.
One screw.
It's a good screw. So we're gonna save the screw. Do they come with the starter comes with the screws or they don't?
No.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the one on the inside, and let's see how we're gonna take you in with the small
Take
cam.
this one screw, need the one this one.
What is it? So
This one.
you need that short, the length. This way you could get in.
See?
And here you go. We're gonna try to get it for you guys. It's in a bad position place. And now we could use our hands only. Because it's already loose. Beautiful. You see, it's a tiny space, so not to break your back, so slowly, you gotta do it, and it's coming out along nice. He's gonna use his fingers now, and we got it. Here you go. It's done. So now the solder is gonna come off.
That's another. Okay.
The cable.
Yeah, but you.
So you see, starter. The two screws are out.
Okay,
The
this is the
cable,
ground.
The cable, the crown. It's done.
Yeah.
That's it.
Now take it off.
Now take it off. Yep. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna see how bad the starter, you might feel it sometimes when you take it off. It's a, just don't hurt your hands when you're doing it here. Like a little maneuvers. And that's it. All right. You see how it is? You see where it's bad? That's where it's bad, right there. It was skipping. Yep. Yep. It was making. All right. We're gonna get the new one.
¿Cuánto te costó?
285. 285.
85 más menos 40.
Como 245.
135.
Hay que ir a dejar el sábado.
The price is 230.
Oh, they purchased it for 230.
Yeah, 230.
230. The starter was. I bet you, if you go to alternator starter places, it's much cheaper. Used to be $80, $85. Shouldn't be that much. It's all rebuilt nowadays. It's nothing new. Right, and we're gonna maneuver it in, prepare the space, and one shot. You put in oil on it. He's putting oil on it. You see, you went to get oil. You always oil it around. Yep, so it will go smooth. Go straight ahead and then make the left turn. Here you go, you see it? Maybe my camera is in your way. Alright, see it? You get just a little sometimes. A little turn because those the groove. Here you go.
Yeah.
It's in. Now we're gonna put the 2 screws in. One. Always you do it with your hand, people. You don't do it with the ratchets. Just so the bolt will catch. Otherwise you're gonna strip it. See, he's not pushing it hard, so he's doing it in his hand. And that's it. Until after that you use the, and now with this one, slowly, he's gonna put it in. All right, that's a good one. It's in. Let's do it in his hand. That's the second one, and then we're gonna tie them with the ratchet. And then after that, we're gonna put the connection for the plug. This one. Maybe the ratchet, no?
Yeah, I will do the orange.
Now with the ratchet.
Two.
It's still too tall. More. Do more. Beautiful. And to tie it, you're gonna use the ratchet again. the second one. Maneuver it. It's in that position. Beautiful.
Okay.
Done. Now we're gonna fit the plug.
I'll put the money plan. Okay.
That's the positive, right? Connection. It's a plug there.
Good. I'll put this first. Wash.
We had to maneuver here, guys, with the camera. I'm blocking him. He's closing his eyes. That's good. That's good. Okay, now the other plug. The positive is in. Now the other one, we can adjust 1, 2, 3. It's a click in. The last one, it's gonna be the positive on the battery and 2 screws for the, yep. I'm gonna put these with the 2 screws. I told you 20 minutes, but looks like, you know, here you go. 15 minutes total.
Okay.
Right
That's
now,
it?
the cable, the positive,
Yeah.
and let's try the car. We need to hear it. Mr. Mechanic, we need to know. Did you do a good job or not?
Yeah.
And believe it or not, sometimes the starter, when it comes from the rebuilders, sometimes it's not good. So it's
Yeah.
not the mechanic thing. All right, so he's tying it, the positive. 13 minutes and a half. Rush, rush, rush before 15. We didn't stop the camera, so we kept it going.
Okay. Let me start.
All right, let's start it, and that's it. Let's see, people. We're gonna hear it. Here we go. It's done. Good job. That's it. Bye-bye. 14 minutes.